This is a brief video of our Miyano BND 42C with FANUC 21 control. I'm just going to run through the basics of this machine's functionality. We'll start with the turret indexes. Okay, now Z. Tailstock, or back positioning tool, or whatever you want to call it. We can also stop at part of the travel and then return. And I'm going to just start the spindle at 3,000 RPM. And I'll bump it up to 5,000 so you can hear maximum spindle speed. That's 5,000 RPM. And just to show you that there's nothing wrong with the bottom of the spectrum, there's 500 RPM. And stop.